Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Ram 1500 Bighorn. This four-door truck has a 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter V6 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 198,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 16 miles per gallon in the city, and 23 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, trailer hitch, and rear privacy glass. Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.